Hi everyone. Now see today's practical experiment is the speed control of DC motor. Okay. Here firstly you know that the what is the DC motor. Okay. In that an electronic motor operated by a DC, that means the direct current, is known as a DC motor. Okay. You know that the motor or electronic motor, and in this electronic motor are operator or working by using the direct current, that means the DC. So in this type of the electronic motor is known as a DC motor. Then a DC motor converts DC electrical energy into mechanical energy. So here input is the DC motor's input are the electrical energy and output is given to the mechanical energy. So converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay. Now so here a speed of control of the DC motor by using the SCR in a silicon controlled rectifier. Okay. Now see in this lecture, firstly totally chart are explained in our experiment. Okay. See, first aim of this experiment is to study the speed controlling of DC motor or to study variation of speed of DC motor by using the SCR. Okay, that means here the speed control of the DC motors as well as the study the different variations of speed of a DC motors by using the silicon controlled rectifier. So here use different apparatus of given experiment is here 12 volt power supply. Now this experiment supply the 12 volt power supply. Then using the one direct current motor, that means the DC motor, or multimeter. Here in multimeter we observe the across the motor we observe the speed, different speeds or different speed voltages. Okay, we observe by using the multimeter, etc. Okay, then using the different electronic components of given experiment is SCR in the silicon control rectifier. In that use SN 100. Okay, SN 100 silicon control rectifier. Then used diodes, then volume control, then resistors, different values of the resistors as well as the capacitors, etc. Okay, now see second, this is the circuit diagram of our given experiment. Okay, see this is the circuit diagram. Okay, in that circuit diagram firstly here apply the 18 volt AC. Okay, 18 volt AC we are apply in a this different our circuit diagram of given experiment. Okay, now here used a one pot across the AC supply, one pot, and this pot is the 10K pot, and this 10K pot series connected one diode number is the 1N4001. Okay, these diode are connected in a series of this 10K pot, and parallelly this pot parallelly connected 0.2 microfarad capacitor, connected parallelly in a 0.2 microfarad capacitor, and in this pots positive and negative terminal, okay, connected as per circuit diagram. Okay, then in this pots variable terminal which are connected in a 100 ohm resistor. So here used color bands of the 100 ohm resistors are the brown, black, brown. Okay, now series connected one diode 1N4001. So in these resistors connected anode terminal and cathode terminal which are connected in a gate terminal of the SCR. Okay, as well as these diodes series connected 1K resistor. Okay, these 1K resistors color bands are brown, black, red. Okay, and in this resistor parallel connected 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Okay, and this resistor and capacitor connected in a DC motors one terminal. Okay, as well as the cathode terminal of a SCR. okay, and motors second terminal which are connected in a ground, okay, and these SCRs anode terminal which are connected in positive terminal of a AC applied the AC voltage. Okay, now see here the base diagram of SCR. See here in this way two base diagrams are shown in this chart. See cathode, anode and gate. Okay, in this SCRs three terminal SCR, okay, cathode, anode and gate. Okay, in this SCR in practically or in real condition available one notch, and this notch near rest point is the cathode, then gate and then anode. In this way this is the uh, base diagram of silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, in this way this circuit diagram are we design, okay, in our laboratory. Okay, so in this SCR DC motor control, here silicon control rectifier observation table is here gives the different observations in resistance between A and B in kilo ohm. Okay, what is the A and B point? So as shown in our circuit diagram, A point is the variable point of the pot and B point is the negative point of the pot, okay, which are connected in a diode. In this between two points we observe the resistance between the A and B point, and this resistance is a kilo ohm. Okay, and in this resistance we observe again voltage across DC motor in volt. Okay, in DC motors across the voltage, okay, measure on here in a, that is the output voltage. Okay, and here this DC motor is used in a 12 volt DC motor. Okay, in this way observation we observe, okay, in laboratory as a working experiment. Okay, so in this SCR DC motor control, in that the speed of DC motor can be controlled by using the SCR in a AC circuit. So these are our used DC motor speed which are controlled by using the SCR थ्रू आपण काय करणार आहे तर DC मोटरचं जे स्पीड असेल ते आपण कंट्रोल करणार आहे इन अ AC सर्किट. दॅट मीन्स दिस SCR विच आर कनेक्टेड इन अ AC circuit. Okay, then the SCR A and B rectifier the output voltage of transformer and apply these pulsating DC voltages to the armature winding, and rectifier supplies similar voltage to the motor field winding. Okay, that means the armature winding voltage and rectifier supplies voltage are the similar. Okay, then the output of SCR rectifier can be controlled by controlling the gate current of SCR. That means the SCR rectifiers which output of the SCR rectifiers can be controlled by the controlling the gate current. Okay, here control the gate current of the SCR. So this way the SCR can operate at different levels of conducting and apply various voltages to the motor armature, and this way the speed of DC motor can be controlled. In this way the DC motors speed are the control. Okay, then if silicon control rectifier conduct for long duration, more voltages applied to the armature winding and speed of motor increases. So here SCR conduct for the long duration, more voltages applied to the armature winding and speed of the motors which are the increases. Okay, for the next case the action, the operation will be vice versa to the previous. Okay, तीच प्रोसेस आपण नेक्स्ट टाईमला करणार आहे. अशा पद्धतीने आपण काय करणार आहे तर DC मोटरचं जे स्पीड असेल ते कंट्रोल करणार आहे. ओके, नाव सी द ग्राफ. ओके, वी graph plot the graph of voltage across DC motor against resistance between A and B, the nature of the graph. Okay, we draw the graph in observation table. So in the x-axis we use the resistance between the A and B point in a kilo ohm, and in y-axis we use the voltage across DC motor in a volt. Okay, now in this way we plot the graph in a graph page. Okay, then comments. From above observation and graph we can say that the speed of DC motor can be controlled. That is, when the resistance between the point A and B increases, the gate current of SCR increases. आपण काय करतो, याच्यामध्ये 10K पॉट आपण फॅरी करतो आणि तो फॅरी करून काय करणार आहे, त्याचा रेजिस्टन्स हाय और लो करणार आहे. ओके, इन दिस A and B पॉइंट्स रेजिस्टन्स वी इंक्रीज द गेट करंट ऑफ SCR increases. So gate terminal of SCR's current which are the increases. Okay, hence the SCR triggers lights, hence the current through SCR increases, which increase the voltage across the DC motor. Hence the speed of DC motor is increases. Hence the speed of DC motor is increases. Thus the in this way speed of the motor is controlled. That means when the A to B point resistance which are increases, then our speed of the motors are again increased. That means the across the motor voltage which are again increases. Okay, in this way in our experiment chart are totally explained, and in the next lecture we design in this our experiments design circuit diagram. As per circuit diagram, design the circuit connection in our laboratory. Okay, got it all of you? Okay, stop here. Thank you all of you.